Are we live? We are live. We just finished oil change, brake fluids, chain adjustment, chain clean. Everything's looking fresh. Now we're gonna go eat. Let's go. Don't want to forget my gloves.
Oh, nice. Duality, yin and yang.
Yeah, homie. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh my god.
First thing to go. Hopefully that's the only thing. All right, everyone ready? Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Sorry for the late welcome intro, but this is like the third video I filmed today. It's because I have like so many different topics, so I don't want to like cram it and then I have different titles and thumbnails and blah blah blah. Wait, what happened? What in the world is going on? But yeah, I was saying the last two videos we went to the BMW dealership talking about my next bike, blah blah blah, looking at bikes.
This is gonna be a shit show.
I know. And in the last video we were doing the maintenance, 7,500 mile I don't know, maintenance I guess, or whatever you want to call it. Oh, well, that was embarrassing. And that was for the last video, and for this video we're pretty much just riding around, done with the maintenance, did the oil change, did you guys can see the fluids right here. The brake fluids are all nice and clean. Oh, that's a nice Hellcat. I miss my Hellcat. Everything is all fresh and clean. I got distracted, and also we adjusted the chain and cleaned it up too. So, you know, just basic stuff. I did learn though, I looked, as I said, you should check your service manual, blah blah blah, to see what your bike needs. And my bike is due for spark plugs within the next like 500 miles. Was supposedly this time, but since I do it early, then I still have to do it right now, but I still have like about 500 miles. So I figured next time when I get the rear tire for this bike in 500 miles, I'll do the spark plugs too. So yeah, that is the plan for the R1M. And I might be getting a couple more carbon pieces, we'll see. Homeboy! It's a long day. We've been literally riding all day. That's why this is like the third video I filmed the same day. I mean, still, you guys want to see the R1M, so that's exactly what we're doing. We're riding it everywhere, getting all the stuff done. And we actually have to ride. We're gonna go ride back, eat another like 30 minutes back. We're gonna eat. As soon as we're done with eating, we're gonna go ride all the way somewhere in LA, which is about an hour away from where we are. So yeah, a lot of riding today. I'm not complaining. It's nice out. When it's nice out, I'm cool to ride literally all day and night, and that's exactly what we're doing today, boys. More vlog style, no topic, just enjoying the ride and fun. Should probably go slow because she is riding a Ninja 300 and I don't know if she'll keep up. Oh my god, she's terrified. This is her first time. on the back of a motorcycle, so she is terrified. Where the hell are they? I don't see them at all. I do not see them. Oh, I see them. Okay, good. I was getting a little worried because I was like, damn, they're like way far back and we're going like 40 miles an hour on the freeway. And I couldn't find them, but there they are. Yo, her license plate is all wobbly. That's a problem with riding with newerish people, especially as a group ride, because we tend to go a little faster and it's hard to like kind of keep everyone together. We always end up splitting up, but it's still kind of fun, you know, meet new people and new riders. What are you doing, homie? Damn, I never had to go this slow. Oh my god, there's so much traffic. No. Thank you very much. The R1M has such a like a sharp aggressive rumble that I feel like people notice me way more than the other bikes. They choose kind of just like high pitch. People are like, what is going on? They don't expect a motorcycle, but this is like, I don't know, it resembles how a motorcycle should sound. She's probably terrified. I forgot something. I was like, what am I missing? I can be having more fun right now since we're going so slow. I can play music. If you guys never ridden with music before, are all the people that don't ride bikes, because I know a lot of my audience are actually people that don't ride bikes, which is awesome. You guys should consider getting a motorcycle if you are somewhat safe and you take your time. Do not ride like I do, you know what I mean? Take your time, learn, and gradually, you know, you'll master like riding. I'm not saying that I have mastered riding, I'm not even close to that, but I know how to ride, is what I'm trying to say. Dude, riding with music is like the best thing ever. It's such a vibe. You feel like so like free. You literally can fly pretty much, especially on a nice day out. Yeah, I gotta take advantage of this nice weather because it's about to start getting really cold and rainy, like literally in like 2 days. So we only have today and tomorrow for nice weather. That's why I'm cranking out videos for you guys, so we have content until it gets nice again, hopefully. Yo, I'm starving. I've been out literally all day and haven't had nothing to eat. All I've had is toothpaste, boys. And I didn't like eat toothpaste, but I brushed my teeth and that's it. Not even a sip of water. And it's almost 6 p.m. We made that. Oh. How was it?
He popped away.
I saw that.
Oh
I definitely saw that.
wait, I wasn't ready. I don't think I've ever been that fast.
That's why I was like, that's us taking it chill, taking it real chill. See, and you're like, let's mob. I told you, homie.
I got kind of bored, I'm sorry.
But you didn't get lost, so that's good. Good job.
And then she got kind of lost, and I just waited.
Yo, I got worried because both of you, I didn't see both of you guys when we first got on the freeway, and I was like, damn, where are they? There's way too much traffic. It was annoying.
I couldn't even do wheelies. Go up, I go down like this.
Yeah, well, you're supposed to talk her through like what she's supposed to do. I feel like she was just like, I mean, yeah, she's still here. She didn't fall off, so.
Imagine we left
Yeah.
like that.
Take it easy on the rookie, man.
We're sorry. This is taking it easy, I swear.
This is like mild.
This is, we're really cruising. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick little vlog type of thing. Like, subscribe, support the channel. Catch you guys in the next one. Say bye. Bye.